Hi guys, this is a quick video to show you how to delete data using some codes in Excel. Now, the data that I have here is, let's plot the data and see the situation, see the condition of the data. And I'm going to select the entire data and I'm going to use a line plot to just see what the data looks like. Now, what we can see here is that the data is all fine up to a point, and it's somewhere at this point there is a there is a there is a region where the data has just shot up and I want to delete this data. Now uh, it is easy. If you know the point where the data is, you can go and manually delete them. But if you have but you are in a situation that in which the data, you have several peaks within the data and you want to delete them altogether. For this purpose, you need to have uh, a code which can easily just clean the data, and I'm going to share that with you. Now, before I share you the that code, I need to make sure that I have the developer tab enabled. For that, I have to go to File, Options, Customize ribbon, and there we have Developer. And just you have to click on Developer and OK. Now I need to click on Developer, click on Visual Basic, and click on Insert and click on Module. Now let's copy the code. So this is the code that I'm going to use. Just copy and I'm going to paste it here. And as you can see, as you can go through the code, you can see that this code is designed to select a range from which the data has to be removed, and the limit, and whether, and a criteria, whether it's greater than this value or less than this value, and then it would clear the data. So I'm going to look at the data and see what part of the data has to be removed. And you can see that my data is somewhere over here. So it is between 117, let's say 117 and 133. So let's rename it, and it is the A column. So it is A 113 all the way up to A 133. And the value that I'm going to set is 100. So I'm going to just type in 100. And if the value is greater than the limit, which is 100, just then clear. So all I have to do now is just to play, and immediately you can see that the data has been removed. And since the peak has been removed, the axis has just rearranged itself, and you can see that now the data which was around 700 has been deleted. I hope this video has helped. Please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.